dalawang anak ni Frank. Ang isa pang hindi ko makakalimutan ay yung pagpapaaral nyo, Dad, at saka ni Mami sa amin, lalo yung pag-aaral ko ng medisina, na iniwan mo sa akin ang retirement pay mo para matapos ako ng medicine. You're really great. I love you, Dad.
Wish po namin ay makapiling ka
na namin dyan sa Amerika as soon as possible.
We love you.
You made him cry so hard. You know, when you fed him with grapes, oranges, pears, and apples. And when you walked with him for his routine exercises, and when you visited him frequently in the hospital during the last few months of his life. For this, I praise and thank you to Junior. I remembered that you were a real Santa Claus with your remarkable generosity. You would go to different houses and just distribute gifts, you know. And then I remember that you always opened your home to family members who are in need of a roof under their head. I remember in 1989 when I got a job in Oxford, and you treated me like one of your daughters. You opened your home to me, and I felt so secured in your home. And you are the only uncle I have who would write in Christmas cards something like this. Minamahal kong Sufing, Flory, Didi, and Alam, with a salutation of Ang Nagmamahal, Uncle June and Tita Sal.
Going strong.
My dad actually pulled 27 years in civil service. This year, I'm pulling 27 years in October. He's a very good supervisor. He had like 25,000 people under him back in Subic Bay, so he did a good job doing that. I always wanted, I like to be like him. I did not get there. Right now I work at Nave San Diego, 4 down the chain of command. I do not have people, I do not have 25,000 people, however, work like my dad, because my dad is actually a very good guy. He's been an executive officer to the Admiral at one point, and he did well. One thing that he taught me at my age right now is actually integrity. He never bent, he's straight to the rules, never broke no law. So he stays with the job. When he first came here to the United States, he made the Ventura newspaper. He still runs. He used to run 7 miles a day. And on the newspaper, he was actually the oldest guy who made that marathon in Ventura County back in late 1980s. So he did well. He's got very good memory too. So he likes to play with puzzles. Thanks.
First of all, nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong lahat sa inyong pagdadalo sa aking birthday celebration. Bakit ako invite habang buhay ko? Kasi, because I take care of myself. Kumakain kami ng mga nutritious foods, katulad ng mga oranges which are rich in vitamin C. That test na po nagtapos si potassium. Kaya bigyan ko ng nurse ng potassium tablets. At hindi ako sa nurse ng bigyan ako ng saging sa lahat ng ating pagkain. Kaya importante rin kumain ng saging at least 1 or 2 bananas a day. Sa exercise naman, nagja-jogging ako 4 miles twice a month. Noong araw, tumatakbo ko ng twice a week. Pero ngayon, matanda na ako, tumatakbo na ako at least sa loob ng 2 dalawa sa isang buwan. At naglalakad ako kasama ng ating baybahay ng araw-araw ng 1 to 2 miles every morning. At tuwing umaga, background ko, nag-study jump ako. Natutuwa pa ito sa US Army. By the way, I'm a US veteran. Was assigned in Okinawa, Japan for almost 3 years. Ang nasa US Army ko, ako ay pagbangon namin, dressed up na kami, ready for assembly. At yung talagang namin ang pakalata yung standard jump. Ganitong standard jump. First, spread your legs, then stop. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And I just would like to thank everyone for being here. Without your presence here, this day would not have come true. Okay. My friends from classmates from St. Paul. And the two of them almost went to the border. And my uncle Chisoy, came all the way from Florida. Yeah. So I'm really grateful for all of you being here. Hi, Daddy. Thank you for all the years that you have taken care of us, for all the support and love you have given us. Thank you. Okay, and you have been. I'm really grateful from the Heavenly Father for giving us such a kind and loving person you are. You are a pillar in our home, and you have built our life. You know, you have given us foundation to build our own lives, physically, emotionally. You know, I really admire the strength that you and Mom have shown during the difficulties and challenges of life, especially when she was sick with Parkinson's and cancer. You have been very loving and caring for her up to the end of her life. You have provided for us spiritually too. I remember the times when we have to be there at 6 o'clock in the evening to say the Angelus and the Rosary. And the water subsided as the days and the hours passed. So thank you for everything that you have taught us. You have really touched our lives. God bless you, and may you have more years to live healthy and enjoy your jogging and the puzzle and the sports.
Ikaw at ikaw rin, kung tunay man ako ay anipinin mo ang lahat sa buhay ko.